Hi, this is Lavina Pinto here and welcome to my channel Queen Bee Zone. Today we are going to do a quick recipe which is a quick instant mango pickle. Let's start with the ingredients that are required to prepare the instant mango pickle. First, the raw mangoes, they need to be cleaned nicely and dry, they should be dry. Then we need a bowl to cut and add them. We need curry leaves, we need some sugar. This is kalonji seeds. We have mustard seeds. This is fenugreek, salt, empty bottle. Also we need this gingerly oil. We're going to use gingerly oil. And this is a mixture of red chili pepper, powder and haldi. And a chopping board and a knife. So the first job is to cut the mangoes into thin slices. And put them in the bowl. Now you can add salt to this. Add salt and keep this aside for some time. Once you add salt, do not use your hands to mix this. Mix it well, but mix it with a spoon or a clean spoon basically. So now all these other ingredients we'll put them into the pan, stir the mangoes so that salt is evenly coated on the mango pieces. Now all these other ingredients we are going to use them to add as the tadka. Okay, we're going to now take a pan, add the gingerly oil. I'm adding almost like 100 ml oil. Gives a stronger smell, but it's good. Once you feel the oil is hot, add in the mustards. Also, I missed to say that we can add garlic, which adds additional flavors and which is healthier as usual. It's normally added on the pickle, so you can add garlic if you like garlic. Now, once this splutters, then we are going to add the fenugreek seeds. So as it splutters, we are going to add the fenugreek seeds. And now we are going to add the garlic. You can cut them the way you like. And now we are going to add the Just when you feel the garlic is getting fried, slow the flame and add in the chili and haldi mixture and mix it. When you see the bubbles around, add in the kalonji. It's got a lot of fragrance from the garlic. The oil in itself has got nice fragrance. You can get the tangy pickle flavor. Now meanwhile, coming back to the mangoes, since we added salt, they release some water, but I just drained the water from this. You need to remove the water because you don't want the pickle to become watery. Anyways, it's going to release some more water as and when the time passes by. Meanwhile, turn off the gas. Take the tadka. Add it on the mangoes. Please make sure to use a heat-proof utensil so that you don't burn that utensil while using the hot oil. Keep mixing it nicely. The last bit comes is adding sugar. Actually, sugar gives a very sweetish mix taste in this case, which is very good. Even kids can eat it. It's not going to be very pungent or yeah, it's going to be nice, and also it helps. You can serve this pickle with the rice or anything that you eat with along. You can eat it just like that also, because there is a little bit of sweetness and it's not that very sour or spicy. Again, spice level and everything depends on your how much spice you want, because I'm a medium spicy person. So finally, here is my instant mango pickle. I hope you liked it. Do let me know. I will share the complete recipe on my... So here is the final look of the instant mango pickle. This will be ready exactly with the proper taste and everything in next 24 hours. As of now, it has got that crunch of the mango, which will have to be softened as the time passes by. Allow it to cool for some time, and once it's cool, then add it in the bottle and store it in the refrigerator. It can be stored up to like 1 month without any problems. I hope you liked this recipe. Do let me know in the comments. I will share the detailed recipe on the bio below. Thank you so much.